Hundreds of police officers and fire rescue personnel, nurses and hospital employees were also left to deal with the aftermath of Irma. Many of them lost their own homes and decided not to come back. But that wasn't the case for lifelong Keys resident Martha Sanders. Last year, just days after the storm, we spoke to Martha at Mariners Hospital in Tavernier, where she had worked for 20 years. She was forced to evacuate with her family, taking off for Orlando before Irma made landfall. Though her home was damaged, she says she is staying put in the Keys and has even found solace in getting back to work to help others through this difficult time. Here is some of that interview and an update on how she is continuing to move forward.
My home was flooded, so of course you're a little angry with your situation, but then when you come here to work, you see people that are worse than you are. You know, just a little, I have water, but there's some people that lost their whole house. You're here to help people and try to get them through. My grandbabies keep saying, I want to go to Nana's house, and I keep saying, oh, Nana's house is broken. They're like, why? They're two, they don't understand, you know, a set of twins, they don't understand. But we're gonna get back there.
I've been here all my life and I've never seen anything like that. It was horrible. We're in our house, it's partly done. I still have one bedroom and a laundry room to complete, but it's livable and we love it. I mean, we've never thought about leaving because we've been here all our life and we love the Keys.